everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. There will be one more video for Vlogmas after this. I will be posting a video on the 24th, and then Vlogmas 2024 will be coming to an end. So in today's video, I have a Christian book unboxing. I know that as a homeschooling mom, when curriculum starts to come in, it feels like Christmas. It's like so exciting. It's like new curriculum, yay. It's your present. You're getting excited about it. And I've heard many homeschool moms share that on their channels when they are getting curriculum in the mail. So I went ahead and placed an order for a few things back in November and was hoping to share it with you for Vlogmas. I was going to put it aside and then share it with you for a curriculum unboxing to get that feeling of Christmas and new curriculum at Christmas time. And then the Canada Post strike happened and it didn't come in, but it just came in a few days ago, so it is here in time for Vlogmas and I can go ahead and share it with you. I hope everybody gets their packages and letters soon that they are waiting for with the Canada Post strike. But let's get right into the Christian book unboxing. So I got a few things for homeschool, some things I'm really excited about and have been wanting for a long time, but they were just way out of my budget, and I will explain that as we go. But they went on a crazy sale, so I went ahead and grabbed them. So let's just open up this box. Here is all of the goodies inside, and I'm just going to put it here. So I have taken some of the stuff out of the packaging just to make it easier for this video, but I went ahead and picked up this Bible cover for my daughter. She is 4, almost 5. The boys just got some new Bible covers because they need to take their Bible covers to church, and I thought this one would be really nice for her. We can put like a little Bible in there for her to bring as well. Because she can earn Bible bucks if she brings a Bible. And then what I love about this one though is this side is where you put a Bible, but it has another compartment here, and it actually came with some crayons and a ruler and this little notebook. It's upside down, and this is actually a little coloring book, and it's got little, so I thought this is something she could take with her. If she needs to just listen and color, she can do that. And it comes with this ruler and the crayons, and these are like the twistable ones, so I love that for her. And I also picked up another Bible cover for my daughter for her bigger Bible that I've already picked up for when she's a little bit older and can read it on her own. But I picked up this Llama Tell You About Jesus Bible cover because she has the Adventure Bible with the llamas on it, so I just thought this was perfect for her Bible. I need to make sure it fits her Bible, but I'm pretty sure it will. But it's just normal on the inside. You can tuck the Bible in, and then it also does have a little Bible bookmarker in here, and there's a place for a pen. Love this. Her Bible is going to look so sweet in that. And for my daughter, I also picked up the Minnow Laugh and Grow Bible for little ones. We love the bigger Bible of this, and I've been meaning to pick this one up for a while, and it was on a really good deal, so I picked it up. It is quite big. It's quite square. Similar to the bigger version, but I wish this one was smaller and could fit in here, but I don't think it will. Let's take a look. It's too big. I wish it was like Bible size so it could fit in there for her. And then the reason why I placed the order, because these were on really good sale. So I used to do a lot of children's ministry, and I used the Hillsongs Kids DVDs with the music for worship. And then right after I stopped doing a lot of kids ministry, Hillsong's put out their curriculum, and I always thought it would be really cool to use, but it was like hundreds of dollars, $300. So it was just always out of my budget. I thought it would be really cool to use in our homeschool, still out of my budget. But 2 of them were on sale for really crazy deals. I'm not sure if they still are on sale, but this one, I believe it was this one, was only $19, and it said it's usually $100. So $19 American, it would have been about maybe $40 Canadian, but still super affordable. So excited about this. This is the Children's Ministry curriculum. Big Who You Say I Am. And then this one said it was around the $100 mark as well. And this is Big What a Beautiful Name, and it says it's perfect for Easter. This one was a little bit more. I think it was like $34, but still it said it was $100, so that's maybe $50-$60 Canadian, but still super affordable. So I am so excited to have these. If you've been interested in these for a while or want to check these out, definitely check out Christian Book, because they were on sale 2 months ago when I did get them, and I am so excited to open these up and share these with my kids and use this one at Easter. Since it says perfect for Easter, it includes 4 experiences: 1 to 3-year-olds, 4 to 7-year-olds, and 8 to 12-year-olds, and additional needs. And this one as well includes 4 experiences. So it comes with like age appropriate things for each kid, which I think is so cool. So we're definitely going to do this one at Easter, and then I'm not sure when we're going to do this, but it might be part of our Bible curriculum either this year or next year, or just have it. But I'm just so excited for these resources. I always wanted to try them out. So yeah, that is my curriculum unboxing, and it totally feels like Christmas for me since I just got this and I wasn't sure if I'd be getting it, so it's extra exciting. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share a homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, book hauls, and more. So definitely turn on your notifications and join us here, and hopefully we can inspire you along the way. I will see you for Vlogmas Day 24.